The Agaro Royal 9-in-1 Multi Grooming Kit is an all-in-one grooming set for men that made to handle various grooming tasks easily. Let's check out what's in the box to decide if this grooming kit is worth getting or not. The set includes a trimmer, 6 attachments for different styles, and 5 combs for various hair lengths. 6 different attachments includes a hair trimmer, which is already attached to the trimmer, a beard trimmer for trimming beards, a precision trimmer for detailing, a shaving head for beard and body, a nose and ear hair trimmer, and a body hair trimmer. You get a comb with 3 different size options. This comb fits only on the beard trimmer and you can slide it up or down to adjust the size. I am not sure about the size of this comb because this comb size is not specified anywhere. In addition, 4 more combs are available in sizes of 3, 6, 9 and 12 mm. You can use these combs with hair trimmer and beard trimmer both. The trimmer comes with a USB Type-C cable for charging, a stand to keep everything organized, a pouch for carrying it anywhere, and you will also receive a cleaning brush and lubricating oil to keep it working smoothly. Now let's see the trimmer. The moment you hold it, the metal body gives you a premium feel. The trimmer's metal body and superior build quality not only elevate its visual appeal but also ensure durability and superior performance. However, the trimmer feels heavy in hand and hard to grip because of its metal body. You will feel uncomfortable to hold if you use it for a while. For example, you can see the weight difference between this trimmer and my Philips trimmer. This trimmer weighs around 220 grams. While my Philips trimmer is around 60% lighter than the Agaro trimmer. The Philips trimmer is easier to hold and has a better grip than the Agaro trimmer. But after a few uses, you will get used to the Agaro trimmer. The device has a power button on the front and an LED screen that shows how much battery is left. Although it's advertised to last up to 2 hours, you will typically get just over an hour of use. However, recharging is quick and only takes around 2 hours. The battery indicator on the trimmer seems inaccurate. When I was using the trimmer, the battery decreased from 100% to 10% in just 15 minutes. I wanted to test how much this battery can last, so I kept running the trimmer even when only 4% battery was remaining. Surprisingly, the trimmer continued to work for 20 minutes without the battery level dropping below 4%. This suggests that the battery percentage display is not reliable. Maybe this problem is only in my unit, but if a device has an indicator, it should show correct information. Otherwise, it's useless. The indicator on the trimmer also shows a heat warning. I started getting this warning only after 5 minutes of use. Despite the heat warning, I was continuously using the trimmer and it was working properly. Heating won't be an issue for most people, but is not ideal for extended use. They provided 4 combs for beard and hair both. However, these clippers work better for haircuts than for beard trimming. If you look at my Philips trimmer comb, you get 2 different combs for beard and hair. You can see that the hair clipper has a wider gap than the beard comb, but the Agaro trimmer provides only hair clippers, which means you have to use the same clipper for your beard too. Hair clippers can also trim the beard, but sometimes it may not trim the beard neatly, particularly along the jawline, and could accidentally cut more hair than intended because of the clipper's design. They should have provided different types of combs for beard and hair. Now let's talk about the IPX rating. This trimmer is advertised with an IPX waterproof rating on Amazon, but in the description, they mentioned only the head supports IPX, which is not unique because almost all trimmers in the market allow you to wash the head without any issues. I still tried to use this trimmer in the shower and submerged it in water multiple times and it was working properly. But the next day, I noticed water damaged the sticker or color of the trimmer. The trimmer is still working, but after a few more washes, the silver color will be completely removed, which means the body is not washable. The review of this trimmer on Amazon is very good. But if you go through each review, you will notice some reviews are not genuine. For example, take a look at these 2 reviews. Both reviews are from verified buyers, but apart from this last sentence, every word in both reviews is the same. This means you can't blindly trust reviews on Amazon. Overall, the Agaro Royal trimmer is decent, but its price of 2900 rupees seems very high. While it has a premium feel, durability is also important. For example, my Philips trimmer has lasted 7 years and it still works, though the blades are less sharp. You can buy this Agaro trimmer for around 2000 rupees during sales, which is a good price, but I doubt the Agaro trimmer will last as long as my Philips trimmer did. If durability is a priority for you, Philips might be a better choice. The Philips trimmer may be a bit more expensive than Agaro or other brands, but it's likely to last longer than you would expect, and you will also get better after sales service. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching.